Jah Rastafari. God bless peace in Africa.
In 2 weeks, I'm attending a good friend's wedding, and the dress code is African fusion. So by this occasion, I've decided to have my first African dress tailor-made by local African designer. Later today, I'm meeting Nosipho. She's an amazing, well-traveled South African fashion designer. She's going to create a dress for me with a traditional Chinese silhouette, Qipao, and also use a traditional African fabric, Ankara. This is going to be a very unique experience. I'm really looking forward to see how the dress is going to turn out.
2 weeks later.
So look at the 3 beautiful dresses here. So Nosipho made 3 of this dress with different prints. So she gave me the luxury I could just choose one of my favorite and choose one to buy.
We're very excited. This fabric, I really love it, but to be honest, I love every fabric I choose. You originally chose this material, but I thought everything is the same palette, with the first 3 that you chose. So I broke it up and brought something else. All of them are a little bit different and they've got a little bit of flavor. So let's give it a go.
A few moments later.
Dun-dun.
Dun dun.
Look at this one, this is so beautiful.
I have to look at you, not African. We drafted it, and we kept going back to it until we got exactly what we wanted. So you can also see them with the sleeves, the breaking the sleeves. As Molly said,
look at this here, all these details. There's a split with the button here, flower button.
and
There's
the
a,
piping.
yes, all these little flowers. So these flowers are plastic, and also there is something special over here.
Okay, so firstly, the yellow trimming that you see is piping, and we usually use that to give more detail and accentuation and structure to the dress. Here it's got netting, and then we literally cut pieces of this flower from the African print, and then we sewed it down on the net. And then the back part of it, because we wanted to be also true to the Qipao, we made sure that we did the split at the back to allow, for her to have breathing space and not feel, like tight in.
Yeah, it's definitely not too tight. This is just perfect, very comfortable. Everything fits. Everything's perfect. Look at the second one.
Beautiful
So
color.
beautiful. Wow. So this one has quite different design in the details. First, from the collar here, it has different type of buttons. So the first one was a bit playful with these flowers and so on. This one is more true to the traditional design with the traditional cloth button here. And also from the side.
So we always try and put, especially
Yeah.
with print material, what we normally would do is open up, splits, just side partings,
Yeah.
just to give room to breathe, because it's a material that doesn't stretch very
Exactly.
easily. So we always have to have creative ways to make it easy for you to move and be comfortable in the dress. We love playing with fabric, with colors, as I always say, with culture as well. So for us, it's just a perfect mix, and it brings out the best of us. That's why we're called empaths,
Exactly. So this also shows that actually the vision of beauty and creativity, everything is connected. It's not that you have to be from certain culture to make things from your own culture. Like you can also make intercultural things even more fun, more beautiful, right? You add your little bit this and that, your experience, your taste, your difference
Yes.
add into the dress.
Absolutely.
This is the third dress.
Which is the wild card.
Yes. This button is again different. This is round black buttons.
It's like leather.
Yeah,
Exactly.
zebra lines with
I'm happy
flowers.
you noticed. because I was playing with the whole African palette or motif, just to, you know, that black and white with different colors as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
A masterpiece of the fusion of two cultures. You have the zebra line here, the flower, the Africanness, and the dress. Just see this part, you know already this is an Asian Chinese design.
I think also Southern Africa, we're beginning more and more to discover our own specific culture. And South Africa having 11 languages and 11 cultures, we are each celebrating each part of that culture.
Yeah.
So this is an exciting moment, and if it gives us an opportunity for Molly to wear a portion of our culture, we also feel honored.
The way we view traditional culture, where I think we have the same path. Like even from 20 years ago, that time Chinese society still viewing the traditional things was shameful.
Oh, yes.
Because everybody
Absolutely.
want to get things from America.
Absolutely.
They want to have the biggest one on the billboard, on the advertisements.
That's it, yeah.
But it's all like a Western style
Yes,
things.
absolutely.
You wear Nike, Adidas. That was cool
Absolutely.
for us. Nobody want to wear traditional
No,
dress.
no.
It's like if you wear one to any occasion, they would laugh at you.
Yeah, absolutely. I identify with that
Yes.
because it's just a funny story. When so my mom's family is from the Eastern Cape. When we went to visit, I would always wear African print. That was like way back, like
Yeah.
maybe 20 years ago. And they would always make fun of us, like, oh, it's those kids who are always wearing African
Yeah.
print, because like you're saying, it was very shameful. It was like not modern. It's like backwards.
You are
That's
not
it.
developed.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But what's interesting, and this is why I'm connecting with the fact that a lot of Africans now are proudly,
Yeah.
you know, coming out. It's almost
Yeah.
like a coming out of the closet,
Yeah.
if that makes sense. So out of the cultural closet,
Yeah.
and very proud to wear their, you know, traditional garb with a little bit of twist here and there.
Yeah.
So that's wonderful, and I like that connection. Molly.
Exactly.
An amazing thing. And
Nowadays, Chinese like me, when I'm in Africa, even in Africa, I want to make a Chinese silhouette dress. This is part of me, my identity. Also, since I'm living in Africa slowly, Africa is also part of me.
Oh.
I also have the identity of Africa. I'm very proud of your culture, to be honest. That's why I want to make this dress,
Thank you so
because
much.
I want to wear your culture. I want to show everybody else that this is part of me as well.
Yes, thank you for
Yeah.
that. The younger generation, I feel, are also a lot more confident than, let's say, my generation or the generation before.
Yeah.
They don't feel any boundaries. I think they're a lot more connected to the rest of the world,
Yeah.
and are able to just push their own
Yeah.
mindset and their own
Exactly.
thoughts. So
Yeah.
I guess maybe with the millennial generation,
Yeah.
they are probably a lot more open to
Everywhere, internationally,
absolutely.
the young kids are always more open-minded than
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you
Yeah.
again.
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.